Again, welcome dear students. Now we will solve question number 5 of exercise 3.2, 5 A parts. So fourth B part you must be solved, that is homework. So 5 A part, 5 upon 11 given numbers and 3 upon 4. So not 3 upon 4, that is minus 1 upon 3, and that is 2 upon 5, and that is 11 upon 12. So dear students, we will want to write in descending order. Descending order means greater to smaller, then after smaller, then after smaller. So look, the all numbers, which numbers are smaller than other. So this minus 1 upon 3 are the smaller other than. So write here 5 upon 11 and 2 upon 5 and 11 upon 12, and here write minus 1 upon 3. So now we have 1, 2, 3 terms, and we want to find the value, find the LCM of these number. Now LCM of 11, 5 and 12 is. So dear student, first of all we want to find the LCM of this. What is the LCM of this number? So you can check here 11, 5 and 12. 5 time 11, 11 and 1 and 12. So 11 time 1 and 1 and 12. Then after 12 time 1 and 1 and 1. So that is the LCM. Multiply of these three. 55 multiply 12. 12 5 ja 60, 12 5 ja 60 and 66. So that is the LCM of this number, 660. So now 5 upon 11 multiply by which number we will multiply by this one? 60 here and 60 here. So that is 300 upon 660, and next number is 2 upon 5. So multiply by 132. So that is 2 to the 4, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 1 ja 2, and that is 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15 and 1 16, and 5 1 ja 5 and 1 6. So now last term is 11 upon 12, 11 upon 12. So which one number we want to multiply by? 55. So that is 11 5 ja 55, and that is 660. So dear student, we have now 300 upon 660, 264 upon 660, 605 upon 660. So which one number are smaller? So you can see this number are smaller, then after this number are smaller, then after this is bigger number. So what you want? We want to descending order. We want to descending order, dear students. Descending order. So how we will write descending order? Which number are greater? So that is 665 means 11 upon 12. Then after 5 upon 11. Then after 2 upon 5, and last minus 1 upon 3. So that is the answer of this question. Now dear students, look question number 6. How we will solve question number 6? But question number 6 said write 3 rational number between 6a minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1. So we know that -1/1 and 1/1. So we want to equal LCM between these two. So -1/1 multiply 2 and 2, so that is -2/2, and that is also 2/2. So between these 1/2 minus and plus 1/2. Okay, and we also write here -1, 0 and 1, -1 and -1/2 and 0 and 1/2 and 1. आप ये जब काउंटिंग लिखेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि ये -1 के बाद -1/2 आता है, फिर 0 आता है, फिर 1/2 आता है, फिर 1 आता है. So 2 between 3 numbers between. So write here 6a, 3 rational number between -1 and 1 are 1/2 minus 0 and 1/2. That is the answer. Look, one more questions. V. No, dear student, let's see. -4/5 and -2/3. So we have 4/5 and we want to multiply by this 3 and 3. So that is -12/15. And this one also, second number we have -2/3. So we will want to multiply by 5 and 5. So that is 10 and that is 15. So we want to between, so -12/15 -11/15 and -10/15. So we want to find the values 2, but we have available only 1 values. अब आपके पास एक तो आ गई, एक और चाहिए आपको, तो आप यहाँ क्या कर सकते हैं, 4 से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो -5, 4 and 4. सो ये हो जाएगा 16/20. और यहाँ हो जाएगा आपका जब 4 से करेंगे, सो 2 × 3 × 4/4. इक्वल एलसीएम करने के लिए इधर 10 से करिए, जस्ट वेट.